Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another F1 update. So today let's talk about the 2024 Miami Grand Prix. So Lando Norris finally achieved his long-awaited first victory in Formula 1 at this race. He sealed it by having an amazing lead and a perfectly timed pit stop during the safety car period halfway through the race. This marked his impressive performance from him and the team. He started from P5 and coming, first, it's obviously a very difficult task to do. But the pole sitter Verstappen, he did have a good getaway off the line, but he just wasn't able to maintain his lead, and hence Verstappen came second and Norris won the race. His teammate Perez had a thing going on with Carlos Sainz, but one major moment during this race, dramatic moment, was both the Red Bulls when Perez's car locked up and it just came to the rear end of Verstappen, and they were so close to making contact that if that would happen, both of them would have been out and it would be double DNF for Red Bull, which is obviously what they don't want in this championship battle which is going on. And then they did over Carlos Sainz and Perez, they did overtake Charles Leclerc for the battle for the second position, but then Leclerc made his way back when the Red Bull were having this moment together. And the McLaren driver Norris, he obviously managed a 7-second lead over the car coming in second, which was of Verstappen, and maintaining a 7-second lead over the championship leader and who's been dominating the championship for so many years. It's obviously a massive achievement for the team and for him as well. And Leclerc came in third, completing the podium position. So first was Norris, second was Verstappen, and third was Leclerc. Then Perez came, then Leclerc. Leclerc came in third. Then his teammate in Sainz, he came in fourth, and Perez, the second Red Bull, came fifth position, finishing ahead of Lewis Hamilton, who came sixth. And Mercedes have actually had a huge drop in performance. They obviously need to sort things out on their end to come back into the front, and it's their new reality now to coming 6th, 7th position, and podiums would be probably just once or twice. It would be a pretty good thing for them now. Like earlier it used to be a normal thing for them winning races and coming on the podium, but now it's obviously much more different and much more difficult, different scenario now. And this was till now the most action-packed race of 2024. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.